Hello everyone and welcome to break 2197 for the 2020 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. It's 10:59 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:59 p.m. Central Time, and 7:59 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Birdie with 3 spots, Element 2, Hosier 2, Darryl 3, Detour 3, Knack with 1, Big 2, CBD Cards 1, E-Rock 2, BE 3, CR Mag 1, Laddie Cards 2, Velma 2, Dave 1, Rupee 2, Mitch with 2. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Birdie on top, Mitch on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7. Hosier on top, Rupee Cards on the bottom. All right, Hosier, you have the Cardinals, Darryl Falcons, Mitch with the Ravens, CBD Cards Bills, BE Panthers, Rupee Cards Bears, Dave with the Bengals, Big with the Browns, Mitch with the Cowboys, Detour Broncos, Velma Lions, Detour Packers, E-Rock Texans, BE Colts, Element Jaguars, Chiefs, CR Mag Chargers, Laddie Cards Rams, Darryl Dolphins, Laddie Cards Vikings, Detour with the Patriots, Big with the Saints, Hosier with the Giants, Birdie Jets, Raiders, Knack with the Eagles, BE Steelers, Darryl 49ers, E-Rock Seahawks, Birdie Buccaneers, Velma Titans, and Rupee Cards with the Washington Nationals. And here we are, all sealed up and top and bottom. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Okay, top and bottom. Ooh. Congrats to whoever has the Carolina Panthers Christian McCaffrey rookie auto. Very nice for Carolina. Rookie auto, rookie ticket auto. Carolina Panthers. Christian McCaffrey. And that is 46 out of 75. Christian McCaffrey rookie auto. Let's see who has the Carolina Panthers. Carolina Panthers going to BEH Rend 85 YK0. Congrats on the rookie auto of Christian McCaffrey from break 2197 in the 2020 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. Should be spot number 3, and then we're on to break 2207 for the 2020 Topps Archives SIG Series Active Player Edition. Thanks.